How are you guys? What is up? What's happening? Welcome back to Glam and Gown, and as the title suggests, we are going to talk about few of the products by different brands and also a brand called Bodywise. Here I'm going to talk about their acne control kit, which includes the oil control face wash, the serum and acne spot correction gel, which has a lot of good ingredients. So let's just start the video without wasting any further time. And before I start the video, I would request you guys to hit that subscribe button down below and like the video if you really like the video. And yeah, let's just start the video. So this one is their acne control foaming face wash, which effectively removes dead skin cells, and it's a fragrance free face wash with 1% salicylic acid and 1% glycolic acid. It's a really great product because I've been using this since like 2 months, and as you can see, it's going to get over now. And that's how this one is. So this one cleanses the face effectively to keep acne at bay without sacrificing the hydration your skin needs. And glycolic and salicylic acid are the chemical exfoliants with antibacterial properties. They have a full list of ingredients, and we actually need brands which provides us the full list of ingredients. This one, great. Like I don't have words for it because this is too good. This one is completely free from SLS and paraben, dermatology tested. I mean, what else do we need, right? This one also unclogs pores, destroying acne causing bacteria, and it controls the sebum production. I am like really impressed with this product, and those who are actually suffering from acne and those who have oily combination skin can definitely give it a try. This suited me really well. I have a sensitive skin, I have a combination. I actually have a dry skin in winters, and during summers I have combination sensitive skin. If this one is suiting me, then I'm highly recommending you guys to try it because it's affordable also. This one is priced at ₹349 for 120 ml, which is cool, which is not that expensive because we have a lot of products by different brands. Those are like extremely expensive and good for nothing. So yeah, give it a try and let me know if you like it or not. And the next one, guys, is this acne spot correction gel with again 1% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid, 4% niacinamide, and it clears acne, dermatology tested, clinically proven, and priced at ₹499 for 30 grams. So let me be very honest, guys, I haven't used this much because I don't have bumps on my face, touch wood. I just apply it for a day or two, maybe just on the small zits on my face, and yeah, so I cannot say much about it. But then looking at the ingredients, guys, I can say it is going to be a great one because it has salicylic acid in this gel, which actually fights against acne causing bacteria, and it reduces the pimples. Overall, it reduces visible inflammation, and it has 4% niacinamide and a powerful AHA-BHA combination, and this formulation reduces the acne scars and the acne marks which you have on the face. And the ingredients are so good. You can use this product twice a daily, in the morning and during night. Recommending you guys, you can try this on your zits, on the pimples, like the scars you have. It will actually help to, you know, fade away those acne scars and marks which you have on your face. So yeah, that goes with. So yeah, let's just jump on the third product. One is this skin clarifying serum, which has 10% niacinamide, zinc PC and green tea extracts. This one has an extremely lightweight formula which actually absorbs into your skin so quickly. I'm really liking this product, and because it has 1% zinc PCA, which is why this one actually makes your skin super soft, and it's a moisturizing agent which helps to hydrate the skin. And also it has 10% niacinamide, which is known to be the multifunctional skincare superstar ingredient. So yeah, like in total I am recommending you to try to go for this one and the face wash. Like I cannot say much about the spot correction gel, but then these two products recommending you guys. And yeah, like without giving a second thought, go for it, because this will make your skin super soft and moisturized, and it has no fragrance, no bad chemical ingredients. Yes. You can see my name is written on it, and it is by Dr. Shobhita Anand. So they actually do a test also, and then they advise you the product. So yeah, like go for it, check their website. And yeah, so let's just move to the fourth product. And the next one, guys, is this Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. This has white lotus, and let me just tell you guys, I was not expecting such great results with this one, because I don't know, I don't like the fragrance of these products, as in of this brand. I mean, I've used the body butter also, and if you want to check the review for the body butter, check it out. I mean, yeah, somewhere up here or maybe here. So check it out, that review. And the fragrance I am not fond of, but then it does whatever it says. The texture of this product is really amazing. It simply melts into your skin while you apply. So I've used a lot of scrubs, the expensive ones, but then it is such a great product. I have no words for it. Again, I'm like, I have no words. It's easy to use, and the result I get is like glowing skin, because it actually melts into your skin and it gives you a glow, you know. I mean, I think you're getting it. So yeah, this is a good product. Go for it, guys. It actually made me feel like I'm sitting in a spa and having that pampering session in such a low cost. As in the price is so low, it's so affordable. It is not at all a cream based product as most of the scrubs are in the market, and because of traveling I got so tanned when I came back to Delhi, and I used this like regularly, and it actually helped me to remove all kind of, you know, tanning. So would highly recommend it because it exfoliates the skin pretty well. And the key ingredients of this product are volcanic lava ash, yugdugu, and white lotus. And I've already spoken about this, that I love the packaging of the product because it looks so luxurious, and the quantity, must appreciate the quantity because it's completely full. And yeah, like just go for it. And the next one is my most favorite one, and this one is a face mask. It's a green tea face mask by the brand Plum, and this one is priced at rupees 490 for 60 grams. Love this product because this one is formulated with green tea extracts, kaolin, and bentonite clay. It has a creamy texture, and as we all know that green tea extract actually prevent and it helps to reduce acne scars and acne marks which we have on the face. It smells very refreshing, very nice. So they do say that this is not recommended for cystic acne, which I would agree on. So keep that in mind. And I really like the fact that their products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's a great product to invest on because it does helps controlling excess oil and controls sebum production. You guys can definitely give it a try, and it's a great product for acne, oily acne prone skin. And the next one which comes on the list is by the brand The Beautico. This one is their latest launch, and this one is in the collection Wine. This is a face scrub, and this one is priced at rupees 350 for 100 grams. So I was really skeptical initially, you know, when I was about to use this product. However, after using this product, I really found this helpful. The scrub provides you a lot of moisturization and hydration, just the right amount your skin requires actually. And this smells like wine, and this will not let your skin dry at all. This one is a very effective one, and this you will find always on discount, Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa. It's good because it's affordable also, and it does whatever it says. So for all the coffee lovers, this body scrub is for you. This is so effective. It makes your skin super soft and it removes tan. It's a really great product, guys, and it can be used on a daily basis. This is not at all harmful on your skin, and this gives you a luxurious experience right from the packaging to exfoliating your skin. Really liking this one. Like, the fragrance is so pleasant, and it was filled, I mean the quantity of the product is filled till the mouth of the jar. Also guys, don't use this body scrub on your face because it has granules which is only meant for your body and not at all for your face. So yeah, keep that in mind. So now let's just talk about one product which I really hated, and this one is by the brand Freshengo. This has 43 capsules and it smells so disgusting. This one is in aqua fragrance. I am not recommending you guys. It was sent by a brand. This one was a collaboration, but unfortunately I didn't really like the product, so which is why I'm not recommending you. Don't even, you know, think of buying this. And then they have different variants in this. They have rose, they have jasmine, they have lemon, grapefruit, musk, and yeah, this one is aqua. I'm just gonna show you guys the capsules. So that's the capsule. So this one is the box, and I don't know why they thought of making this product, because bad one. And the last one, guys, is a face toner, and I love applying face toners because that's like a black coffee for my face. So this one is by the brand The Beauty Co. This one is their cucumber skin toner. This tightens pore, it's rejuvenating, and this one is priced at rupees 425 for 200 ml. However, you will always find this product on discount. Like, you will get it in 40% discount, 60% discount, which is great, and which is why this is on my list, because this is so affordable, because it's on discount always, and it's a good product. It has no bad chemicals. This one makes the skin super glowing, and it has a long lasting effect on the skin, suitable for all skin types. And you can also use this as a makeup mist. Like, after you put makeup, you can, you know, just spray this, and it's so refreshing afterwards. It's a natural, gentle, and alcohol free toner which can be used after face wash. And yeah, you guys can definitely give it a try. So with that, let's just end this video. Thank you for watching till here. I love you all. I will see you guys in the next video.